Hi, it's Susan here.
And Martin as well.
And welcome to In the Craft Room. We'd like to thank you for sticking by us throughout the year and watching us as we create the Peter Rabbit Patchwork Quilt.
Absolutely. This year, and just recently, we went into the Myers Christmas windows in Melbourne, the city of Melbourne, in our state of Victoria, in the country of Australia. And we visited those windows for a very special reason. And why was that?
This year, the 66th Myer windows is Peter Rabbit.
Absolutely. So we wish everybody a safe and healthy Merry Christmas. And we're going to leave you with some moments that we had the other weekend in the city of Melbourne.
And we look forward to seeing you next year in 2022 as we complete our Peter Rabbit Patchwork Quilt. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.